Every day, more people are learning about the blockchain and buying cryptocurrency. Until now, the problem for consumers is where to spend it. Retailers have been reluctant to accept cryptocurrency due to its volatile nature. Who wants to get paid for something and lose money on the sale, right? Thanks to the brains at Karatbars International, this problem has been solved with the revolutionary K-Merchant software. Let's look at how it works. Lewis has some cryptocurrency and wants to buy a new car, so he goes to his local dealership who has decided to use K-Merchant. The software is free to install on any iOS or Android device and comes with a range of plugins or any API for online sellers. So Lewis picks his car and pays with his coins. Easy! The dealership chooses whether to accept and keep the cryptocurrency or instantly convert it into his local fiat currency, which means he has no cash flow or volatility issues. An instant transaction with no cost for the buyer or seller, so how can it be free? K-Merchant doesn't need to charge Lewis or the dealership anything, because K-Merchant generates business income with AI trading on their associated exchanges, which are linked into the software. In simple terms, there are no costs for installation, no fees to be paid, no chargebacks, and zero risk for the business. K-Merchant even offers free advertising on a global online map. Now, any business in the world can accept cryptocurrency and anyone can spend it. The vehicle for mass adoption has arrived. Don't miss out on being the first cryptocurrency acceptance point in your town. Get back with the representative that shared this with you.